Okay, what is in the top cabinet? So this is next to the microwave. So just so you know what we've got in here, we've got silverware, coffee creamer, cooking spray, beef bouillon. That's kind of handy for, and like sometimes you do a hot cup of that on a cold morning, or soups and stews. We've got some cleaning supplies here. What do we got here? Salt, pepper, garlic, fire stick for the stove, coffee mugs, plastic cups, disposable plastic cups. We've got here a bowl for, oatmeal or whatever. And then these are not glass. They look like glass. They're kind of a weird sort of plasticky thing. They will break if you drop them, but they're not glass. So you can use all of that stuff. And then got a sink here. This pulls out. Okay, you can control the flow here. Breadboard. We use this for, for lots of different things here. And that can just stay there while you're driving. And then what is in the bottom? So we've got a big frying pan. There's a kind of a smaller frying pan, a pancake skillet, and then a variety here of pots, pans, and lids. So you're pretty good. I don't think there's anything in here we need to add to, because that's all that really fits in here anyway. Feel free to use all of this stuff. And then we've got some plastic bags in there, trash bags. And that is what's in the kitchen cabinets.